Hi guys, my name is Michael Afolayan, your favorite coding teacher. I'm not here today to explain any concepts in coding for you. I just want to share a small win. Now, we enrolled our children in an international coding competition, as you all know, and I'm so glad to announce to you that we have actually stepped up. Alright, so let's check it out. So now the first from this competition is from Singapore. The second is from United States of America. The third is from Australia. While the fourth is from Lagos, Nigeria. And the lovely student is actually our student from Flourish. Good. Alright, the fifth is from Cuba. Sixth from United Arab Emirates. The seventh, also again, from Flourish, Nigeria. I feel so proud right now. I don't know, I can't even contain this job. And then 8, Flourish again. That's what I'm talking about.